152 sealed on the glass.
Sweet. That's good. I think it's on the glass seal. That's awesome. Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. Nice. I like the speaker pods. You can hear all your music from right here.
Yeah.
That's a good idea.
Somewhere to put them.
Yeah.
Gotta tape that back up and go. I got
oh, okay.
It goes to the beat.
All right, yeah. Let's check under the hood. So what's your name real quick and what's in here, man?
My name's Daniel. I got 2 Sundown X's in a ported box tuned at 37 hertz on a MD-AK. Electrical, we got 300 amp custom electric alternator, 2 runs of 2-volt welding cable, 45 amp hour C-Max. On the mids, I got 6 8s off a 1000-watt crunch amp. Doing a 152 sealed on the glass.
Sweet. That's good. I think it's on the glass seal.
On the glass.
That's awesome, man. You happy with it?
Yeah, I'm happy with it. Getting ready to do a wall.
B-pillar or C-pillar?
We're gonna do B-pillar.
B-pillar. Wow.
I'm gonna do 48s. That's the goal.
Did you say 48-inch subs?
48-inch
Dude,
subs.
you're crazy. That's a lot of mountain.
Yeah.
That'll be different, though.
Wiring.
Yes. Hey, but once it's done, as long as you don't have problems. Very nice, man. Yeah, I'd love to hear it. I remember last time I heard you, you had a single 18-inch subwoofer.
Yep. I had a single 18-inch crossfire, the XSV.
Yes.
XSV2.
And you're happy more with this than the single sub?
Yeah. Oh yeah. I gained a whole lot.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I did a 152 even.
Yes, sir.
Sealed, on the glass. Music, I'm doing a 151.4 with the driver's side door.
Yeah.
Driver window open. But it likes sealed.
Have you ever done any testing with your location of your box?
I have not.
So if you went back an inch or forward an inch, if you gained or lost?
I haven't tried it
So you
yet.
still have some opportunity, maybe.
We haven't even done nothing with the box yet. I
Yes,
haven't done no real prep.
Is it mounted down at all?
Yeah, it's mounted
It
down.
is? Okay.
Put L brackets on
Yes, sir.
all 4 corners.
Awesome. Thanks, man.
Yeah, man.
Nice to meet you
I
again.
appreciate it.
And
Yeah.
your name? For the
Daniel.
video? Daniel for the video. All right. Give everybody a like, Daniel.
Absolutely.
Thanks, buddy. All right. Yeah, she's gonna do outside flex.
Okay.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.